Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to delete all Instagram messages at once. Let's show different ways from simple to effective. Go to direct messages, let's open some chat room, long press on the message what was sent to you, and we can't even delete one message. Let's try to do the same thing with my message, long press, and in this case it's now possible to unsend this message. But if you have a lot of messages, it's not very convenient or rather very inconvenient. To speed things up, let's go to the screen with all the chats. Now long press on the chat you want to delete. And here we have the option to delete the entire chat. But you may have a huge number of chats, you happen to be a very social person. The following method will speed up the deletion of chats for the most sociable people. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, we need to get into the settings. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Next, select the settings and privacy section. Once in the settings, scroll down to the bottom and select Account Type and Tools item. Yes, you got that right. Once you make your account professional, you will be able to access additional functions, including deleting all chats at once. Click Switch to Professional account. Next, tap Continue several times. Describe your account in one word. In my case, let it be personal blog. Tap Done and tap Next. Turn off promotional emails and close the profile setup. We don't need it right now. Let's see what changed. Go to Direct Messages from the main page, and as you can see, there are new icons in the top right corner. Click on three dots. Next, select Chats. Select all the chats you want to delete. In addition to deleting, we can mute these chats. But if you still decide not to contact these characters anymore, select Chats and tap the red Delete text in the bottom right corner and confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again. I wish you to communicate only with people whose chats will not need to be deleted. Have a good environment and a good day. See you soon.